Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best massage chair for home you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best massage chair for home on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which massage chair for home are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Real Relax Massage Chair. Massage chairs continue to gain popularity among people seeking a self-care option. For full body massage there have many features like 8 massage neck back rollers, 50 airbags placed to the shoulders, arms, hips, calves, and feet, lower back heating, and foot roller massage. Fit people of height range from 5.2 foot to 6.1 foot, footrests extended for the taller. Smart remote has advanced high-definition VFD display screen, easy to understand. Both roller and airbag message to your foot, relieve foot tense and pain. Built-in waist heater, promote blood circulation. Providing relief to body pain, muscle tense and sore for sub-health people. When you turn on the power, the massage chair's Bluetooth will turn on. Turn on Bluetooth of your mobile phone, connect it to Real Relax. Turn off the power or Bluetooth of mobile phone, the music will stop playing. For details, let's watch more. Our second best massage chair for home is Human Touch Massage Chair. This innovative chair offers a full body therapy to soothe pain in your muscles. It has a Body Map Pro feature that lets you choose the area that needs relief so you can feel better. Designed with 5 auto massage programs, full, upper, lower, relax, and sleep massage, this state-of-the-art machine allows you to customize your experience for a rejuvenating massage done right in the comfort of your home. Powered with Figure 8 technology, it massages the calves in an upward, wave-like motion to optimize blood circulation from your foot to your core to improve general health and enhance vitality. Developed with our new Flex Glide solution, this modern technology is equipped with a 3D orbital system that delivers a therapeutic massage without the uncomfortable pinching and friction from normal massage chairs. Enjoy a soothing, sensitive massage technology that delivers a stress-reducing experience like never before. Free from the pinching and friction associated with typical massage chairs, the Flex Glide technology offers seamless glide to help you bask in the glow of ultimate relaxation. For details, let's watch more. Number 3 in our list is Away's SL Track Massage Chair. This 3D massage chair can automatically your body to adjust the massage points and massage range. The most professional massage can be experienced by different body types, The effect is comparable to a massage technician. The massage airbags cover on the shoulder, arms, hip, calves and feet area, allowing you to enjoy the 2-in-1 massage and looping rhythmic. The SL track length of our chair differs from almost other similar products. It not only has a larger massage range, but also achieves precise knocking, kneading, tapping, clapping, rolling, shiatsu and other massage methods to relax your whole body, combining the Thai-style massage and other methods to perform a relaxing massage. The 2 heating device at the waist of the massage chair can warm your waist and care your health with reaching up to 45 degrees Celsius. Covering from the head to the bottom of the buttocks, the movement pushes, squats, presses, squats, tops, and knocks along the guide rails to relax and enjoy. Automatically detect the height, according to the body shape, adjust the massage points to meet different height and body requirements. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Smagraho Full Body Massage Chair. Smagraho Full Body Massage Chair is a budget massage chair that easily punches above its weight. You can connect your phone and play your favorite music or radio while massaging. Airbags massage to shoulders, arms, hips, calves and foot. Lower back heating, 8 rollers to the backrest. Rollers and airbags massage speed can be adjustable. Built-in waist heater, provides warm massage to waist and promote blood circulation. There have some features that make a massage chair in top list. The features is like as the airbag envelops the body massage at the shoulders, arms, hips, calves, and foot. You can adjust the compression strength of the airbag. If you press the zero gravity button after fully reclining, the feet are higher than the heart, reducing the body's influence on gravity, reducing the burden on the heart and enhancing the massage effect. Foot roller scrap massage, help relieve foot sore, adjustable foot roller massage speed. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best massage chair for home list is Smagraho Massage Chair. First of all, you can tell this is a high quality massage chair. This chair has airbag squeeze massage features that the shoulders, arms, waist, hips, calves and feet are covered with airbags to provide you with airbag compression therapy. Ergonomic massage chair, armrest linkage system design, arms feel comfortable while reclining. Full body massage, airbags placed over shoulders, arms, buttocks, legs and feet, ease tension and relieve muscle fatigue by inflating and deflating. 8 fixed rollers to backrest, back and waist massage forward and reverse. Enhanced caster soothes soles and heels to provide you deep tissue massage with gua sha therapy. The massage chair is equipped with a Bluetooth speaker, and you can enjoy massage and music just by connecting with your mobile phone. For details, let's watch more.